Hello to everyone and welcome back to our channel. Let me introduce new feature that is available in Greenshift WordPress plugin. It's new CSS animation option with support of modern scroll-driven API. We implemented few ready presets so you can start to use them with one click. First one is entrance animation that will work once element appears in viewport. All presets are fully configurable and you can change them to fit your needs. The second one is clip entry animation. It does the same, but instead of opacity, it will animate clip property. Animation can be added not only to item itself but also to class and subselector to apply it to all elements or to specific blocks. To do this, create local class on parent element and then add subselector. In our scenario, I want to add to all images, so my subselector will be img tag. Now let's select in-out animation. This will add specific styles before element is in viewport and before it's exiting viewport. All these effects are 100% CSS based without any scripting, so this means that they will work smoothly and will be compatible with any items on the page. Let's add even more interesting features, for example, stacked card effect. For this, make sure that all your images are wrapped inside another parent element. Now I need to add special class to all of these elements. Now I select my parent local class and use a feature of Greenshift for creation subselectors. This will detect all available classes of children items and create subselectors for them. Now I can affect all items with these class. At first I added a static height that should be bigger than my image height. Then I applied sticky position. This should make elements stacked on each other while scrolling. And don't forget to add value to top option, otherwise sticky will not work. You can experiment with different settings to get different effects. For example, instead of adding sticky to wrapper, you can add sticky option to images while keeping wrapper height. Let's add another preset for exit blur effect. This is working even better for our purposes. And what if we will add sticky option not only to images but also to wrappers? So let's try. And yes, we have another effect. So now you know how to make modern stacked cart animation. But let's continue to dive into other presets. And this time we will recreate popular scroll-driven animation for logo line. For this, I need specific structure of our blocks. I need to have main wrapper, then wrapper for our animated section and elements. You can use any kind of elements, but you must have these two wrappers. On parent section, add overflow clip and white space as now wrap. Now add left-right animation for our secondary wrapper, and mostly that's all what you need. For the next animation I will need split text element block. This block automatically splits all inner text. We will use split by words and we need to copy our special word class. Now do the same steps as before and create local class. Use our word class as subselector and add center blur effect. How cool is it? And remember that you can change all presets to fit your needs better. Let's try another effect. This time we will try to create simple scrollable carousel. We have many images, but we need to show them as scrollable gallery. And first what we need is draggable element block. You can put any elements inside and they will work as scrolled items. This block has already created class and sub-selectors, so we can select them and continue to configure. First, what I want to change is size of images. I will use static width and height and enable cover object fit to properly stretch images. Now let's enable horizontal in and out animation. Unlike from previous animations, this one will detect horizontal scroll and apply effect on it. By the way, draggable element block has option to create custom buttons. Once you create them, you can put them and style them as you want. The only condition is that you must keep class names on elements. Same principles are under our circular slider wireframe that you can download from wireframe library. It's just different animation options that you can change for different effects. We recommend you to study transform and filter options of CSS to be master in CSS-based animations. There is one important thing that you should know about scroll-based CSS animations. They require to have scrollable container. So they will not work if your parent block has overflow as hidden. So if I add hidden overflow on parent in my example, you can see that animation stopped to work. Hopefully there is easy way to fix this. Just use overflow clip instead hidden. And it's working as expected now. Scroll-based API is very interesting and wide topic. You can find a lot of information about it in internet, and I recommend to check article in Google blog. Currently it's not supported in all browsers, but don't worry, we take care of this, and plugin will load polyfill in browsers that are not yet supported, so all animations will work in all browsers. And this is all for today, and see you in next videos.